Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this L-shaped gaming desk that I have lots of features to unpack on this desk. I think it's a really good one, not only for gamers, it could be for productivity entirely if you're kind of like working from home or things like that, and you you have a corner that you can fit an L-shaped desk. This could be a really good one. I'm gonna show it to you in a few seconds on a close-up, but first, things that I like about this one. For sure, the structure. I really like that it's an L-shaped desk. I love the carbon fiber aspect of it. I think it's a really good thing for gamers for sure. I'm a gamer, you can see my room. So having a carbon fiber structure and for sure carbon fiber looks, I think it's a bonus. And then this is a 51-inch desk by 48, and it's almost 30 inches tall. So you can see that I can fit right here, but I'm gonna show you something that I kind of don't like much, but it's kind of like optional. So you can see that I can fit right here and I can work perfectly here. I can be pretty comfortable on this L shape. And then something that I also wanted to show you that you can have this vinyl, these stickers that you can put right here on the legs. I didn't. I think it's optional. I think it's not mandatory. I think it's maybe too flashy for me, but for sure looks really good on the black, white, and red accents. And another thing that I have right here is another red accent that I kind of like as well. So having those options, it could be really good. Something else is that it also comes with this razor here that, again, I think it's optional. I don't need it and I don't like it much because it's not super big, so it's more making noise. Is more bulky than anything, but again, it's optional. You can put it if you want, or as you can see, it's not mandatory. Let's take a closer look. So let's quickly talk about the assembly process. The assembly process was fairly simple. I think it took probably half hour, no more than that, with power tools. It's a little bit tricky to put these parts right here on the very edge, like close to each other. So you have a push it, you have a kind of like make it to be super tight and then screw the bolts, because if not, it's going to be kind of like separated. Here's the razor that I was talking about before, and this is going to be how it's going to look right here. You put it on the edge and that's pretty much it. Again, it's optional. Here are the stickers, as you can see. That was saying before, 51 inches, 48 by 29.5, kind of like tall. And then you can see the structure is really good. It's metal, it's a metal frame, but you can see that it's pretty firm. It's not super flimsy. So that's actually pretty good because it has the legs. And right here, the reinforcements right here on this side, that side as well, and the centerpiece as well with another metal structure. But what I was telling you before is, let me show you this. You're gonna see these two pieces right here. This is, for example, for a pair of headsets, and this is for a small cup or like a water bottle like this one, for example. But I think that these two should be on the side. You can actually put them right here on the corners. You don't have to put them right here on the centerpiece, but I think these two should be facing outside, because if I'm putting them right there, you're gonna see that if I try to go in, for example, just like this, it's not super good. So you have the option to put them right here. I wouldn't. I just put them right here to show that one to you. You can actually put them on the edges right here on the metal frame. I think that could be good because it's not gonna be on the way. Or I wish that they put them kind of like facing outside. Otherwise, this is a really great desk. As I was saying before, it's big enough. It actually has the L shape that I think it's a really good thing for gamers. If you want to put like a big curved monitor right here, like a probably 29, 32, or I want to say like 40 inches monitor, like right here. Or you can put multiple displays. You can put one here, and one here. Or you can just use it for working from home, like a home office with the carbon fiber, the razor right here, the headset holder, the water holder as well, and the metal structure with 30 inches tall. I like it. Carbon fiber, huge bonus, at least for me. I hope you like it too, and I hope this was helpful enough for you. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.